everyone. This is Lisa from Della Honda. Today we're going to learn how to use adaptive cruise control. And what adaptive cruise control does for us is it keeps us at a distance from the car in front. It will actually do stop and go in traffic. Go in traffic, which is what I'm performing now. I've scooted my seat back and I am locked on with the radar system in this car is attached to that Honda in front of us. So as that car slows down, I'm going to slow down. We have 4 bars, which will give us a distance from car to car. You see how we slowed? Now as this car proceeds forward, I'm going to proceed forward. If I set my cruise at 50 miles an hour, I'm still going to stay locked on that car, but I'm not going to get to 50 miles an hour because it's going to keep me back at the speed this gentleman in front of us is driving. So here we go. We're going to do another stop at this red light, and you're going to see I've got my knees up. I'm not hitting the gas or the brake, and it is stopping us. We're going down to 28 miles an hour. We're continuing to slow. And we are going to stop. Now, if we sit here long enough, we have to hit resume before we will continue to follow that passport in front of us. And it says stopped on my dash. So as soon as it turns green, I'm going to hit the resume button and we're going to move. Now, if I want to be closer to the car in front of me than the 4 bars, then I hit the right-hand side of the adaptive cruise and it'll let me shorten my distance between me and that car. On a test drive, I usually stay at 4 bars so I don't scare customers. So we're resuming back our speed. And as this car slows in front, we're going to continue to slow. Now just being a little bit closer. Adaptive cruise is very nice on the highway because you don't have to constantly correct your cruise control. But always remember, if a car passes you and you're doing 70 and they're doing 60, in a few minutes you're going to be doing 60. So we always want to pay attention because we are in control of our vehicles. So that is our class today on adaptive cruise control. Thanks for joining in and come see us here at Della Honda. Have a great day.